fish cakes! I've lost the scent back to camp. Dad? Dad? Anyone? Oh!
Oh, Flix. I looked everywhere. Where did you go?
I followed my nose.
I was worried, Flix. I'm just glad you're okay.
All wildcats to the catenators. Repeat, can all wildcats make their way to the catenators?
Time to find out if Wildcats is really for me or not.
The fastest cat to climb their tree will receive a Wildcat's Wilderness badge. Ready? It's the Catinator, not the Doginator.
The Doginator? Yeah, I'm a dog. I need to be a wildcat, the dog way. I'm dog of the world!
Oh, rats! Not again!
Wow. My son, the Wildcat.
Whoa, Flix, well done!
Awesome!
Way to go, Flix.
You climbed a crummy tree. So what? You'll never be the ultimate outdoor cat.
Give me the ultimate challenge, then. I can do anything. Burma, do you have mice for brains? It's against the rules to go near the water.
The ultimate outdoor cat doesn't follow any rules.
You fuzzy furball!
Ha! So you do want to race?
Eat my waves!
Flix, help!
Ha! I'm not falling for that!
I can't swim!
No wildcat gets left behind!
Oh, double rats!
Wildcats! Looks like someone is up the creek without a paddle.
Flix! Is he rescuing Burma Fang?
Now that's the ultimate outdoor cat. The next cat I see will be my stargazing buddy. What? Oh!
What? If you want to study greatness, at least take notes.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
So, we did it.
You sure did.
We got the part.
Yep.
Yes, we are going to be in a movie.
You get to howl with me.
Wait, what? We were auditioning to be in a movie, weren't we?
No, you were auditioning to be my howling partner. It lets you unleash your inner dog from within. Oh!
Yeah. No.
Why? Why not? Don't you like to fix things? I bet there's all sorts of stuff to fix in Dogtown.
Are you saying Dogtown's broken?
What? No! I just meant it'll be fun.
Fix this.
That's a rock.
I'm hungry.
Oh,
Are you coming?
yep, absolutely. I'm hungry too. Food'll fix that.
Yodelay. Yodelay. Hee-hoo.
Yodel what hee how.
Needs more oomph. Yodelay. Hee-hoo.
Yodel ho hee how.
That is not it.
I'll have you know that was a perfect yodel. Just in the key of confusion. Never mind. Next!
Did you know Venus is called the morning star because it's the easiest planet to see in the daytime? So maybe I could take a peek.
I knew it! It's right there! Literally plain as day!
Huh? What is?
The cheese! The cheese! The moon is cheese!
I'm pretty sure the moon is the moon.
Ha! I see the truth with my own cat eyes. It's cheese!
The moon does have a crust, but it's not made of cheese.
Cheese!
Moon!
Cheese!
Moon!
Cheese!
Moon!
Cheese!
Moon!
Cheese!
Moon! My telescope!
Cheese.
Oh, man.
That was my best apple.
Agreed, but it's missing something. Ah, yes! Tabby would be complaining about my doggy manners, while Munchkin would know the apple's nutritional content.
Oh, should I keep going?
Only if you want me to keep eating. Next!
Nice work, Flix. And you crazy cats.
Well, now we got the truffle. Take us to the top dogs.
This way. Time to make you honorary members of the Snuffle Pack.
Last of the doggy souvenirs now. Get your Dogtown souvenirs right here. Almost sold out.
Flix, Tabby, Munchkin, let me introduce you to the Snuffle Pack and their leader, Chi-Chi.
And she stepped on the ball. So, Scamp, did you get the Titan truffle like I asked?
Yes, Chi-Chi. It's right here, Chi-Chi.
Impressive, Scamp. Very impressive.
Actually, it was Flix who found it. Him and his friends Tabby and Munchkin.
Oh, you're Flix the dog from Camptown.
You know me?
Oh, everyone knows you. Oh, no need for such a hangdog expression. This is Dogtown, and we're the Snuffle Pack. You deserve to be here. So come on, join us. Just you, Flix.
What? But Chi-Chi, you said...
Cats aren't allowed in the Snuffle Pack, and you're a dog who's had its day, Scamp. So, Flix, care to make a bold choice?
Wait, my friends.
Forget your friends, Flix. We're having a special Titan truffle party. This is your chance to be a top dog with us. Don't you want it?
Yes, I do, because it's mine. I'll keep this, thank you. And you can keep your Snuffle Pack. I know where I don't belong. Cha-cha-cha, Chihuahuas.
Yes!
Jelly kittens, what a day! I believe this is yours.
They should rename this the Flix Truffle.
What are you gonna do about the Snuffle Pack?
I don't need them. I'm going to be my own dog, you know? Just like you.
You could be an honorary member of the Bow Meow crew. That's us, by the way.
I'd be honored. And if you ever need help, little pug, you know you can always call on your top dog in Dogtown.
Whew. I don't know about you, but I'm dog tired. Let's go home. We promised we'd be back by tea time.
Being a dog is hard work. Dogtown has pooped me out.
No poop to scoop here. We've cleared up this doggy mess. Bow Meow crew, let's head home to Cat Town.
Squeaky bow ties sold out. No more bow ties.
Felina, you're so funny. Gee, thanks, Tappy. I'm glad you get it, since we're both really important snooty artists.
Flix, what are you doing?
Fish spotting. Oh, look, there's a flying trout. Okay, I'm spying on Yarny. What do you expect when Felina has totally stolen our opportunity to have loads of fun with that giant ball of yarn? It is not cool.
Uh-huh. And it's not that you're jealous that Tabby is hanging out with Felina instead of us.
Shh. No, of course not. That's it. Felina has left us with no choice. We'll show Tabby we're more artsy than Felina and much better at helping and heaps more fun.
I would like to make it up to Tabby.
Meow! Excellent. Let's go.
Thanks for all your help, Felina. Flix and Munchkin, well, they just didn't understand.
Not everyone gets what it takes to make great art. A lot of cats would see us doing this and say, why? They'd say, why are you crocheting over a whole building?
What? Oh, the whole building. I was thinking just the front. Just the front wouldn't be enough.
Naturally.
Yup, the whole big, enormous building. Is it just me, or is it hot in here?
We're outside.
Right.
I think my hook needs polishing. Be right back.
Well, Yarny, I'm starting to wish I never won you in that raffle. What in the whiskers? Flix, Munchkin, what are you doing?
Don't worry, Tabby. We're here to help.
The rolling was not planned.
Whoa! Whoa!
I can't believe you two. You're sabotaging my project.
We are not. And anyway, you ditched us for Felina.
What? Is that what you think?
Phew. Well, that could have been a disaster.
This is a disaster.
Is not.
Is.
Is not. Is not. Is not.
Could everyone please just go? I have a lot of untangling to do, and I just need to be alone.
Tabby.
Please, just go.
Again, we could have handled that better. I wanted to support Tabby, but I forgot to ask her what she actually wanted or needed.
Yeah, I thought I was encouraging her, but really I was just talking over her.
Well, I behaved perfectly.
Flix.
I was just jealous. Jealous that Tabby won Yarny, and then jealous that she wanted to hang out with you, Felina. I feel so bad I could caterwaul. Yes, exactly like that.
I think that's...
Tabby!
Tabby, what happened? Also, I'm so sorry I was jealous and not supportive of your art.
Same. I messed up.
Oh, thanks, everyone. That's nice. But, I got all tangled up trying to unravel everything.
No worries, Tabby. We've got you. Hi. Tabby, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, but my art project, not so much. This isn't even what I wanted to do. I think I've learned that part of making art is being true to yourself.
Show us, Tabby.
Let's bring your vision to life.
For real this time. No rolling yarn balls. Pugs on it. Whoa.
This is what the root system looks like under the ground. We see individual trees, but really, they're all connected.
I love it.
Me too.
Me 3 million.
I wanted to show how trees are always helping and supporting each other, even in ways our cat eyes and dog eyes can't see. Like you all do for me.
It's beautiful, Tabby. Really.
Thanks, Flix.
And it's perfect for root tag. Come on, Munchkin. You're it. Roots are safe. The rest is lava. Woo!
That works too.